group of cyclists in Bengaluru known as Relief Riders have become a ray of hope for COVID patients. They use open source software to automate and streamline how they deliver essentials to COVID patients in the city. India Today's Nolan Pinto gets us more.
Relief Riders are a group of brave hearts who are extending help to vulnerable sections of society and those hit by the COVID pandemic. The cyclists are volunteering to deliver medicines and other essentials, including food. They began with just some 50-odd cyclists last year and have grown today to more than 250 in Bengaluru. That's not all. They are now present in 12 cities with close to 1,000 riders. They joined hands for the first time last year during lockdown. They regrouped in April to once again help people in need.
We follow all government rules and protocols, and we go out only during the non-curfew hours because that's when the shops are open. There's no point in going out anywhere else. And we stay safe, and we've had 100% virus-free deliveries.
Relief Riders are both men and women from all walks of life. There are techies, some college students, other professionals, all who love to cycle and help others in these desperate times. Varun, who works in Chennai, came to Bengaluru just before state lockdown and has been here ever since. When he heard about the initiative called Relief Riders, he joined. It was simple: use a cycle to help people. Today, more than just the chance to ride his bike and get fresh air, it has become more purpose-based.
A young couple staying a couple of kilometers from here needed meds, and they were both down with COVID. And we had the meds delivered, and the message that we got from them after that was they're saying, you guys are nothing less than doctors. You are saving our lives as well.
There are few mobile numbers where people can call them, and based on the location of the essential delivery to be made and also availability of the relief rider, the job is assigned to one of them. Initially, the relief rider would log in details in Excel sheets after every ride, but have now moved to a web-based new command center for back-office operations. They then integrated with Telegram, and people now can text and register their request.
There are certain limitations in the sheets, and so to address those, we had to go and figure out a platform which would work more like a program.
So the ultimate aim of the Relief Riders is basically to be a part of the solution and not the problem. In fact, they claim that since they started the initiative this year, they have managed to save some 3.5 tons of carbon dioxide emission just by cycling and helping others. With video journalist Madhu R, Nolan Pinto for India Today.